chocolate on chocolate on chocolate with a hint of bourbon. Hey, Doc Martinez here, and today is the day for all you chocolate lovers out there. I'm gonna make a Heavenly Death by Chocolate Old Fashioned. This cocktail is so full of chocolate, it may be illegal in a few states. Thank you for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole. So I am not a chocolate lover, but I do enjoy some chocolate now and again. But when coming up with this idea, I thought, is there ever really too much chocolate? So I saw many different variations of a chocolate old fashioned, but all start with just a hint of chocolate. So I asked myself, how much chocolate can I actually put in one drink? Cocktail quiz time. The cacao tree was cultivated more than 3,000 years ago by the Maya, the Toltec, and the Aztec people, who prepared a beverage from its fruit. Who considered chocolate to be sacred? You may be surprised. So, how much chocolate can you add in one drink? I'll be doing my best to try to answer that question. I will be using a chocolate-infused bourbon. Instructions on how to make that will be below. I will also be using a chocolate simple syrup. Also, instructions on how to make this will be below. I will be adding some more chocolate ingredients, but I don't want to ruin it all up front. So let's see what other chocolates I have in mind. If you're liking these videos, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and add some comments. It really does help that YouTube algorithm, and it really helps my channel. So let's make this Heavenly Death by Chocolate Old Fashioned. Heavenly Death by Chocolate Old Fashioned ingredients. 2.5 ounces chocolate infused Heaven Hill bottled and bond, 1/2 ounce chocolate simple syrup, 1/4 ounce creme de cacao, 2 dashes chocolate bitters, 2 dashes chocolate mole bitters, 1 dash orange bitters, orange peel, dark chocolate for shaving over cocktail. So here we are, we're gonna make the Heavenly Death by Chocolate Old Fashioned. In a mixing glass full of ice, we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of chocolate simple syrup, next we're gonna add 1/4 ounce of creme de cacao. Next, you're gonna add 2 dashes of chocolate bitters, 2 dashes of chocolate mole bitters, 1 dash orange bitters, 2.5 ounces of chocolate infused Heaven Hill bottled and bond, we're now going to stir until chilled. In a large glass rimmed with chocolate and a large ice ball, we're going to strain the drink. Let's express the orange oils over the cocktail. And now let's garnish with chocolate shavings. So there you have it. The Heavenly Death by Chocolate Old Fashioned. Cocktail quiz time. The cacao tree was cultivated more than 3,000 years ago by the Maya, the Toltec, and the Aztec peoples, who prepared a beverage from its fruit. Who considered the chocolate to be sacred? Answer: the Maya considered the chocolate to be the food of the gods and held the cacao tree to be sacred. So here you have it, the Heavenly Death by Chocolate Old Fashioned. Let's see what this tastes like. Well, tastes exactly what you think it would taste like. Chocolate on chocolate on chocolate with a hint of bourbon. Now I'm gonna try to take a drink from the side that has all the chocolate. It's kind of gotten hard on there. Believe it or not, drinking from that side actually adds more chocolate flavor to it. So I have a sweet milk chocolate on the outside, I have dark chocolate shavings on top, and of course all the chocolate we added into this drink. So having that sweet chocolate on the outside just gives you a little bit of sweetness up front. You get a lot of that bitterness towards the end from the dark chocolate that's on top. But overall, chocolate, 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 a little bit of bourbon, and then some more chocolate. So if you're a chocolate lover, you're definitely gonna like this one. Give this one a try. Plenty of chocolate in this one for you. As I said, it might be illegal in some states out there, so be careful where you're at. Make sure to look at those laws. Thank you again for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole. To the next video, cheers.